Welcome to Pop the Balloon or Get It Done. I'm your host and intake manager, Marissa Black. Today we have many potential clients looking to find their perfect attorney. Is it a match? Will we get it done? We have our lovely lady attorneys here. First,
Anne-Marie McCrary,
Claire Kaye,
Courtney Kretzinger,
Misty Bryant,
Adele Netterville,
Katie Pizzini.
all right. And now we're going to introduce our potential clients looking to find their perfect attorney.
My name is Sandra Brown, and I'm looking for an attorney. And forgive me, I'm kind of nervous. I went to have my nails done about 3 months ago, and I felt that she clipped one of my cuticles too short. And I got an infection, and I ended up losing one of my fingers.
Oh, wow.
I went back, and I tried to speak to them, and they called the police on me. And I don't know what to do. I don't have any money for medical bills. I don't have any insurance. And I watch the commercials all the time, and Gordon gets it done. He helps everyone. I ride past the buildings, and I see his flags flying, and I see all of his Bible scriptures, and I felt it in my soul that he can help. So I'm here to get it done.
All right. Well, thank you, Miss Sandra. All right. I see we have a few pop balloons. Why did you pop your balloon today?
Initially, I thought it was a little too attenuated, and I was also concerned that the primary injury was a too closely trimmed cuticle, but I probably, after second thought, would accept it and investigate it.
Okay. We have a match.
Thank you.
Yay! She lost her finger.
I know. Long enough. You got a quick cuticle. I was like, okay, that's
I was waiting for
Introducing our next potential client.
Hello, my name is Kayla Cortez. I was in a car accident in 2011. Thank you.
All right, we're going to find out why the balloon was popped. Why did you pop your balloon?
I popped the balloon because I'm sorry. In Louisiana, the prescriptive period is 2 years, and it's beyond that.
All right, sorry.
Thank you.
Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hello, my name is Emily Smith, and I was stopped in traffic about 2 weeks ago when a big truck smashed into the back of my vehicle. I've been in therapy and have missed work since then, and the insurance company wants me to sign for a quick settlement. What should I do?
Okay, it looks like we have a match. What next steps should our potential client take? Adele?
Please do not sign anything without talking to us. That is very important. And call us as soon as you can so we can help you, direct you, and do everything we can to make you whole.
All right. We have a match.
Yay!
Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hi, my name is Lisa Mills, and my boyfriend of 3 years cheated on me and wasted my time. So I was wondering, could I sue him for emotional damages? I guess that's enough.
Okay. Why isn't this a match?
So unfortunately, based on the facts you've told us, there's not a cause of action under Louisiana law, but I do think he sucks, and if you need some moral support, give me a call.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
I do think it sucks. That's what they like on this. Like, that's what makes it funny.
Introducing our next potential client.
My name is Anna Kelly. I was injured at work. I was lifting heavy material and felt a sharp pain in my back. I did notify my supervisor the same day, but they're saying it may be a pre-existing injury, and I'm unable to barely bend without any pain. Is there anything that I can do?
Okay, I think we have a match. Why is this a good case?
Sounds like you're in the course and scope of your employment, and you have a claim against your employer through the laws of workman's compensation. And that is certainly something we can help get done.
All right, thank you. We have a match. Introducing our next potential client.
Hi, I'm Gordon McKernan, and I'm an attorney, and I may have a potential claim, and I want to know. I was working at home on a case. It's a big truck case. You know, we do a lot of those at the firm, and there was Penny and Rosie were both there, and while they were there, I had some food I was eating in my lap, and it fell down by my leg, and they went after it, and they both started attacking me, and then they bit my leg on accident, and so Penny is owned by Riley, one of my daughters, and Rosie's owned by Meredith, my other daughter. So I'm not sure if I was on the clock. Can I get comp claim? Or I don't want to sue my own daughters. I think that'd be really bad. But what can I do in a situation like this where their dog mauled me?
Do you want to sue your daughter's insurance?
Well,
Is it a
depends on
match?
they have good insurance because I pay for it. So yes, probably.
All right, we have a match.
I think it's worthy of investigation for sure.
Absolutely.
All right, we have a match. Thank you. Introducing our next potential client. Hello, welcome.
Oh, hi. My name is Peggy Henson, and I had a work-related accident. I was working Walmart, and FedEx was delivering some mail, and the FedEx driver had a dolly, and he ran over my foot. So he broke 2 toes and fractured the top of my foot. And I'm wondering if I can get workers' comp and also go after FedEx.
All right, looks like we have a match. Why would you sign this case up?
It sounds like our potential may have a cause of action against both, and we'd like to get you signed up, investigate, and see how we can help you out.
All right, we have a match. Thank you. Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
So my name is Kelly Sampson, and I went to the hair salon about 2 days ago. I wanted a trim, but she cut way too much off. And I cried for days. Can I take legal action?
Can I ask a question?
Mm-hmm.
Does your job involve anything in the media?
No, it's behind the scenes.
In what regard?
Call center.
Okay. Sorry.
I was literally like,
There you go. All right, no match. Thank you. Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hi, my name is Tina Reed, and I was sitting at a red light and I got slammed from behind out of nowhere. At first I thought I was okay, but then 2 days later I couldn't even move my neck. And now I'm in physical therapy and missing work. I do want to get an attorney, but I'm worried about the fees.
Okay, it looks like we have a match. All right, Katie, why would you take this case?
it sounds like you've got a great case, and don't you dare worry about that fee. You're only going to pay us if we get you a recovery.
All right, thank you. We have a match. Yay! Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hi, my name is Beyonce. I'm reaching out because I was walking into a convenience store, texting on my phone. I tripped, I didn't fall, but it was highly embarrassing. The store, no one came out to check on me, and I wanted to see if there's anything I could do.
All right, I'm sorry. We do not have a match today.
But y'all say y'all take everyone's case.
So sorry. It'll be okay.
Oh no! I mean,
We are introducing our male attorneys.
Markel, Chris Molossaw,
Jim Stanley.
All right. Now introducing our first potential client. Hello.
Excuse me. Hello. My name is Macy Grant, and I was looking for an attorney. I was traveling down the I-10 near the Dalrymple exit when an 18-wheeler merged on and sideswiped me. Police came out, but they're saying that I possibly had some fault in the accident. I don't feel like I did, and my back is hurting, and I'm looking for some help.
let's get you signed up.
All right. It looks like we have a match. All right. Markel, why would you sign this case?
Yeah, I think it's someone that we would investigate. I'm not too concerned about the he said, she said until I get more information, but it's definitely one I want to see more information about and sign you up because of that.
All right, we have a match. Thank you. Introducing our next potential client. Hello, welcome.
Hi. So my name is Kelly. I was T-boned going through a green light by someone that didn't have insurance. I do have uninsured motorist coverage with my Allstate policy. I was wondering if there's anything I can do.
All right, it looks like we have a match. All right, and you have a little balloon on you there. Why would you take this case?
Well, even though the offending driver was uninsured, if you have an uninsured motorist policy, in many cases that can be somewhere that we can look for payment, and we may be able to help you.
All right, we have a match. Thank you.
That's why we get all the facts.
She played y'all. She played y'all.
I definitely would have taken that case if I would have listened and gotten all the facts. That's why it's important to be able to talk to an investigator or an attorney to see, the entire situation and see what can be done.
All right, introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hello, my name is Josie. I was walking down the street in my neighborhood when a dog ran out of one of the yards and bit me. I now had to have stitches, and I'm going through rabies shots, and the owner said the dog has never done that before.
Okay, it looks like we have a match. All right, so why would you take that case, Chris?
So the fact that you did get bit and you have had to have medical treatment, that is something we would need to look into. The laws in Louisiana regarding dog bites can be a little bit complicated, so it's something that we'd definitely like to look into further and see what we can do for you, if anything.
All right, we have a match. Thank you. Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hello, my name is Tammy, and I work from home. I tripped on my dog as I was walking to the kitchen for a snack. I technically was on the clock. Can I file a workers' comp claim on my twisted ankle?
All right, it looks like we have all pop balloons. I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
And Attorney Jim Stanley, why did you pop this balloon?
Well, I unsuccessfully popped the balloon, so I would say that the hazard being in her own home and it being something of which she would have had at least constructive knowledge would be a bar to recovery.
Gotcha. All right, thank you.
Just for my own satisfaction.
Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hello, my name is Rochelle. I was pulled over by the cops for going 37 and a 35. He claims I was speeding. I want to fight this. Is there something I can do?
All right, it looks like we have all pop balloons. Attorney Markell, why wouldn't you take this case?
We specialize, or we can't say specialize, but we generally handle personal injury cases, and that's not one where I see that's a compensable injury.
Gotcha.
But we can probably point you in the right direction to an attorney that might be able to help you.
All right, thank you. Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hi, my name is Dee, and I was calling because my coworker got promoted over me, and I'm more qualified, so I was trying to see if I can file a claim.
Okay, it looks like we have a match.
That's an interesting one. Employment discrimination cases in Louisiana are very tough and potentially not something that we would handle, but we might be able to get you somebody that would be able to help you.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. We have a match. Really, Chris?
That could be a good one.
Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hi, my name is Emily. I went to the hospital and with abdominal pain, and I was sent home without any testing or x-rays. And 2 days later, my appendix ruptured and I needed emergency surgery, and I'm now having complications.
Oh, wow. It looks like we have a match. All right. Why would you take this case?
Well, I think there's certainly enough information there for us to have a look. Understand the burden of proof in establishing a medical malpractice claim is very high in Louisiana. It can be very tricky to navigate. Nonetheless, given the facts that you've given us, I think that there's at least enough there for us to have a look at.
All right. Thank you. We have a match. Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hello, My name is Mary, and I slipped in a puddle at the grocery store. It didn't even have any warning signs around it. I fell hard and broke my ankle, which required surgery. The manager did fill out a report, but nobody's followed up, and my medical bills are piling up.
All right, it looks like we have a match. Attorney Chris, why would you take this case?
Well, those are Markel's favorite cases, most importantly. But with the information that you've given us, especially having an injury so severe that you did have to have surgery and all the medical bills, it is important to get an attorney involved and see what can be done for you. And hopefully get you some compensation and get you feeling better.
All right, thank you. We have a match. Introducing our next potential client. Hello.
Hi. My name is Tamika. I'm reaching out because I was in a car accident. I was traveling through the intersection at a green light when the other driver ran their red light and T-boned me. I fractured my wrist and my car is totaled. And I wanted to see about get Gordon and get it done.
Okay. It looks like we have a match. All right, Attorney Markel, why would you take this case?
That's definitely one we can help you with. It sounds like liability is pretty clear. He was going through a green light. The fact that their car was damaged, severely damaged, you pretty much hurt. So that's something we can take on and we'll definitely get it done.
All right, we have a match. Thank you. Oh, we would have still took it because she had a serious injury.
Sorry, my bad. I don't have any insurance.
I'm like, nah.
All right, that's a wrap for Pop the Balloon or Get It Done. Remember, if you're injured, give us a call. Get Gordon and get it done. I skipped the part. We take all, I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it.